How to set preferences on the Tinder app. So first open the app, then after a few moments your screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an icon on the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and this is the page where you can set preferences according to you. So here you can choose the maximum distance, the age range, and if you scroll down you'll see options like languages, zodiac signs, education, etc. And this is it. This is how you can set preferences on the Tinder app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.